Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making one of my favorite breakfasts, Huevos Rancheros. It's full of flavor and hearty, really simple to make. Perfect way to start your day the Mexican way. So here's what you'll need. You'll need corn tortillas, you'll need eggs, your chili of choice, you'll need two styles of tomatoes, regular tomatoes and tomatillo. You'll need onion, garlic, and queso cotija to put on top. So you go ahead and start by putting your tomatoes into your pan. You're going to take the husk off of your tomatillos, place them in. You're going to put your chili in, and you're going to place it inside. You're going to put your onion, and you're going to begin to fry them until they're dark all over. So go ahead and bring it over to your stove. I forgot to add the garlic. You'll add the garlic, and you want to begin turning them around as they begin to brown so that they're as if they're falling apart. When they're falling apart, we're ready, and we're going to go over to the blender. Once they've charred completely, you want to make sure that you take out some of them before they get completely charred. Bring them over to your blender. They're nice and soft, and blend this together. You can blend it to a pulp, or you can blend it and so it remains a little chopped. I like it's a little chopped, and then we're going to go over to our stove and we're going to heat it up once more. So we add in our salt, our pepper to taste, and oregano, and we're going to add in our cilantro. And we're going to blend this down. Bring it over to the same pan. We're going to place it back inside, and we're going to allow this to boil completely, and then we're going to add in our eggs. As soon as it starts boiling, we're going to go ahead and add our eggs, and we'll add in our eggs one at a time and allow them to cook there until they're ready. We're going to cover it up, and we're just about ready to plate. Just preparing our tortillas next, and that's it. So you're going to bring over your tortilla, and you're going to lightly fry this, and make sure that it doesn't get hard. You're just lightly frying it. On both sides, set it aside, and you're ready for your next tortilla. Okay, now I've placed a layer of beans on my tortilla. I'm going to bring my egg over. I'm going to ready to plate. I'll put it on top. Put lots of this beautiful ranchera sauce that was simple to make. Place that. Place some queso cotija on top. And for garnish, a little bit of cilantro. And there you have it. Rich, delicious, satisfying huevos rancheros. Ready to have a taste, and let's see what this is all about today. Delicious, hearty huevos rancheros. Make these, they'll be a hit for sure.